Imagine waking up in a peaceful community designed for comfort and ease. Welcome to Barclay Hill, a beautiful enclave for active adults 55 and over. A community of just 30 luxurious townhomes, each featuring spacious living areas, stunning kitchens, and spa-like master suites on the first floor. The stylish and functional kitchens include a Whirlpool appliance package, Century Kitchens cabinetry, crown molding, recessed lighting, a gas cooktop, microwave oven combo, granite countertops, and so much more. With low maintenance living, you can spend more time relaxing, pursuing hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. Enjoy the lush green space perfect for walks with your furry friend or playtime with the grandkids. Meet new friends, explore your interests, and embrace a carefree lifestyle at Barclay Hill. DeLuca Homes, the builders of this amazing community, is known for their 50 years of home building excellence. Make your next chapter the greatest one yet. Trade in your old home for the brand new home you deserve. Call me today and let's create a game plan. I'm Dawn D'Amico. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, just call, text, email, or DM me today.